please do subscribe, like, share. You know what I mean? Big up my fans, them. Yeah, big up on yourself, man. Burn it down to the ground, man. Continue watching. Yeah, man. So, see, look at that. You know, at the end. And here we go again. Renee, you know we don't play. Alright.
Yeah. It's curious. Jammiwood entertainment. Yeah. Feel free. Shining on me. Feel free. I'm shining on me. Feel free. Turn the faith. Feel free. I hope you're listening to me. Feel free. You can fly. Feel free. Limit is the sky. I won't tell you no lie. Don't be shy. You got to count on yourself. Can no one help you but yourself, girl? I'm trying to get through to you, girl. I see poverty glued to you. I come true for you. Feel free. Fall free. Feel free. It's a crazy world, and now it was designed. Instead that things multiply, I see things on the decline. But I'll be there for you, 'cause I care for you. And if you want to return the favor, feel free. Although nothing in life ain't free though.
Come on, let me go take what I saw, man. I'm gonna go see the sun.
Yes, sir, boy.
From when me see you on the road, I'm sure where you come from.
Live right over this. I want to.
Oh, I tell you, oh, no come from around here still, but from when me see you, I'm like, but I never know my legs.
So where is that from?
Me I stop and tell you something I like it.
You like me? What about me like?
Well, me I see how me just like it. It's like love at first and just like it.
Let me ask you something. You have money? What kind of work you do?
Well, I raise animal. You know, I sell goat, cow, pig, and them something. You might talk to one and two goat around the place. I feel me goat there. Because I don't really tell nobody, ask nobody no question, just not say, I invest in it. You know, when you make money, you can't tell people can't be money. So, if you know nobody want goat or want cow, they tell me, I get them what I'm paying and sell them. Yeah.
That not sound bad at all, cause goat expensive, not to mention cow. One cow you can get $100,000.
Last year, I sell my mother cow in a 450, I get 3 of them. Yeah, man.
That means you have money, man. That's not bad, and all mutton, I love mutton, you know, so when we get mutton and something, we have to buy it.
Man, you have a butcher shop, you know. Yeah, we send the animals go and butcher them and sell people.
Well, alright, take my number, me I can talk.
Yeah, I'm moving over, I think I'm here with them and go pay.
Take my number, 285. 4426.
Alright, so your name?
Eh?
Your name?
You can call me Tia. So, Story as Babes. So you have a woman?
No, Sam. I'm not for like you, maybe come on.
Alright, call me.
Yeah. Anytime.
Anytime. I'm here alone live.
So,
Alright. Yeah.
hello?
Yo, cuz.
What go on?
They are, you know. What go on?
What's up there? See what I go and what I want first. Where from?
Yo, remember say you alone left in the building there, you know, man. You're the only family left back, you know.
That girl in a camp, but
No, man, me a try to say you're not gonna get two youth and I say Michael gonna get two pitney.
I must think picking away. That of my car problem. You can maintain.
Time I fly, man, I get old.
Mama, you're a young boy. Who I get old? A brighty?
So be every day when every day come, you're not get old.
Yeah, but you too far with no about you.
I hear you. So how are you there? Anyways, you can't come link me.
Which part is it?
The overyard, man.
Alright, man, I'll follow you on there.
Ah.
Yeah. Goes.
So,
Oh, God.
come here, man.
Boy, so I'll do it. Oh, God. You know, say I joke when I run with me though. But girl in and keep girl in party for me. Keep girl in party for you. None of my cousin them now have more girl than me. Them just lucky. Cause none of my girls like me, a big girls. You see me, I see a one girl up on the road there. But me and her, you see me feel like she will give me youth. Matter of fact, I'm a big yard, I'll be a woman over there. So maybe me get multiple use and pass them out. Cause I be a one them have them. And me I come people like this man 5, 6 and them number them and book me I'm sure about.
Well, I know me, you know, and them say them will keep party for you. And if party are going, me a come, but me just a tell you what I go on now.
Nobody can get no party for me because I'm not going. Keep the girl in party for you.
Well, if it a key, me a come.
You know what people in the back here? They just not there on the around yet.
Well, you waste time.
Yeah. No one knows you're serious. I think you're just dancing something through Eddie and Delilah or something. Well, that don't sound bad because I alone live, so I can't move in there. But you have to give me some time to I simply think we just pack up 2 things and move. You see me? You give me 1 2 days or so. Oh, I think I joke here, man. Through the end of your liquor. Well, if you see us, it can happen. You know, because you know I'm alone live and stuff. So nothing wrong with moving with that thing. Also, I'm there sit down and go and look out at me eye. Yeah. Alright. Yeah man, 2 days. Just give me 2 days and do me a dance. Yeah. Cause
How are you doing, so? What me do? When you do your first.
Maybe I sit down and watch you and see her come right.
Supposed to give them power.
Remember saying the lady fight already, you know, and the woman say leave her man alone and you still at take bush go man yard. What do you?
I feel business that. Are your business that? That is my business. Are you a fight?
Listen,
are you them a fight?
Me just a warn you, I'm a cousin, I don't want nobody beat you on the road today.
Nobody now beat me. Nobody can beat me.
Top guy people man yard. Care the man at your yard then. We have kept.
Me not care no man for me yard. No for me no. What about you?
You wanna know what about me?
She no look tree, man.
Yeah.
She can't go on.
So, you know say, Ray, you see me? It's nice and she want movie with that and thing. That is a good look and that is a good start.
That good.
So, that me I deal with.
So you say you go move in with her?
Yeah, I'm moving with her. Tell her thinking about 2 days.
You better move now before next man take your space, yeah?
No man nah take my space. You better move now before man take it. Go on, come where you are.
Go along where you go.
So why they never clean up the store before? Why they never go? No sir. Why the place look so? Watch out. Jesus Christ. Then this not done for throw away. Watch out. Not much buckle. Why they not use and still the pan so? Why they not in a one bed? Watch out. Everything they use, then put it down like I made them a pick me all look. Big old girl them here. Big old girl them here. Where they walk and they have boyfriend or road or man. Watch out. Everything they use. Then fling it down same way. Watch out. Then could I use this and put back them in the fridge, you know? They make this skeleton and spoil. Just Christ, me can't take this and no more. Look there. This can throw in this kind of bag of the tear out and sit and throw it in a one sit and fix properly. Watch me and them. I know they know what she play then. What the horse? What am I doing so much? I want to save up, then I sit here. I could have hold on them. I'm going to look in the bathroom. Yes, sir. Who use the bathroom and don't flush it? When somebody would have really use the toilet and don't flush it though. Patricia? That little girl I must see there. Patricia? Patricia? Get up. Daylight out from morning, 2 no cock up in a bed and sleep. Why Delilah they sleep same way? Look how the sun hot. Me not understand. And who shit in the toilet and don't flush it?
It wasn't me.
Good morning, Auntie Candy. Can you give me a money for orphan, please?
Good morning, baby. Yes, of course. Why not? Alright, guess when you go to church this morning, you're going to sow your seed. And God will bless you. And you're going to be a bright little girl when you get big. And start go high school. You must listen what the pastor say now. And when you come home back, you tell Auntie Candy what you learn at church today. Here?
Yes.
Alright, love you, me baby. Drive safe here. Later.
Alright, my sister.
Alright, later.
Let's try to grow the right way, you know?
Yeah, man.
Now, you know me have early and already I'm a bonfire upon church, but me I send she go. When she big enough, she do what she want to do.
Alright.
Come go on to church.
Here you.
Come go on to church.
That one like that. See?
It wasn't me.
And are you? Hold on there. So why you and Delilah cock up in a bed? You cock up in a bed, not sleeping. You can't draw one broom in the place. The dirty plate them in the kitchen. Everything look nasty. Me no know why you use so much things and put down the empty buckle them and the empty plastic this and plastic that. Why you can't throw them in the bin when you use them? You throw them all over the place. Every drinks buckle you drink water. Me can't hardly count them. They countless. Then they everywhere in the place. So don't stop to the place. So a matter of fact, when you're a young girl, you know what? Me I talk to you and then me have to go repeat by myself. So Delilah! Jesus Christ. Delilah, wake up. Where you laugh about? So you sleep and they laugh?
No, me want sleep.
You sleep and they laugh same time?
Me that dream something nice.
Okay. Well, you're going to hear something nasty now. Nothing nice. Why you do the place of a big old girl where they have man?
I don't want to.
Everything you eat and drink, if you throw them down all over the place. One to the bin.
I don't big head one.
Somebody not talking the truth. Somebody not talking the truth. This one I say it wasn't me. Now you say this. Look, listen to me, man.
She.
Delilah, me notice you know for a long time. Say anything you use for real in a real life, you know wash it out. You know like flush toilet. You know clean up no way. And you have some nastiness in you. And me get it from a muscle pooper. The two are two different father, but me tell you something. Me no know it better men breed for the one man. Because the two are nasty alike. You stop from do the place so man. I rent you know. Suppose the landlord come here one day and come see how the place look.
Mommy, but I never mean she.
I wanna do disrespect me now. Start fighting in front of me. You know stop it and no laughing. Yes, when me I talk to you, me no want to smile upon nobody's face because nasty people. When people are talk to you about no nastiness, no laughing not supposed to depend on your face. That means you no care. You understand? You no give a damn whether somebody want to come see. All you know, me tell you, you see as big as you know is there. Remember me tell you now, uno are the young girl you know, we like dress up, especially you Delilah, you look for me, dress up in a long hairstyle, makeup and sitting and body ride and belly skin and you know your place nasty. You know if you do one day, can one of your friend them come in your yard, or the man them want uno they keep, hear them come here and see if they don't left uno.
But me not keep the man, she a keep
what you mean?
man.
What you mean which man? Me no want to know which man because
me not keep man.
Wolf in a sheet clothing, let me tell you something. Uno now go tell me which man you keep until the soon with whatever uno they look for uno we get it. When push come to show, it won't get up at 5 head. Two big old ass steering girl nasty now. I swear to God, right now me no know who for ask me if boss. All you not take man. You think me afraid for licking on the backside? Look here, I don't care which one I want to shit in the toilet. All me know say me want the toilet to clean up because the whole place stink of shit. The whole alright, guess what? Let me put down the belt. Hello. Where say you not clean it, can you? And me hear you. And where say you not cleaning it because it's not you. Okay. Here I know. You say if me pay somebody to clean out the toilet, no shit back in there. Yes, when you don't want shit go a bush and use leaf, not even me piss you, you know for use because you no deserve to use toilet. You no deserve to use tissue. Go a bush and go make courage scratch on the know. That time say when you no use toilet, you know if you keep it clean. All the hell you know for urinate in a toilet. A matter of fact, make a put it away. Why you no piss in a toilet and a left it? If somebody else come see it and don't flush it. No a shit you know. Look here, I'm tired of it. This is not the first time. I know it won't be the last as long as you know they run me. Well guess what now? At the last chance me they give it to you. Remember you no have no money now. And me no have no me yard you know. You no can go responsible for yourself now and go rent place and see what it is, what it takes to take care of place and keep it clean. Go back go sleep if you think you're bad go on your bed. All the sheet want change, the pillar case want change, place want sweep out. Start now. Where the broom? Right now, I'm not take no talking from you know.
Start.
Me not take no talking. Me realize say you don't want to do nothing that you see. You don't clean up your place. You go in the kitchen. You go in the toilet. Right now, go in the restroom go clean out the toilet. I don't care who because you.
Me not do it. I know me.
Oh, so you're a big woman in this. I am my mother. You come like you
Mommy,
know
what
we are
does
playing.
she do?
Well, right now I don't know who do it, and I don't want to bother.
Where come
to
you
hear
cursing me?
who do it.
Sleep.
Me no want to know who do it again. Me don't ask any tone or tell like you go clean out the toilet. You see the toilet full of shit, so you don't go left to run over. And you did this argue with me. Why this a conversation you continue? You dey prolong. Look here, little girl, the two go clean up the place. So no matter. Suppose me care one man ya. You want to know that she make me shame like that. I look at the man when they look me tell him say me no live nowhere. I want friend me and stay with because if me ever went tell him say me live somewhere and me go can't come here, me drop down and dead. With shame would have kill me. Me can't believe and then when I want to use the pot, it hot. Like when you get up, make tea and drink and go back to sleep like a tourist. So no big and nasty now. You know, me I come go out the road. And anyhow, me come back in the place and don't see place tidy, you not go like it. Me I put out, you close out a door, that means, you know what that mean. Don't make me tell you no. Okay. Out of that. I'm so friggin' nasty, man.
Come.
Hello?
Hello?
What?
How gone?
Delilah, you good?
Yeah, man, me there. I'm good, man.
I think I reach already. We talk about this about 2 days ago. You say you're moving with me, so I don't understand.
I took me up on the road a while ago, so I just come back. So I'm here. Then I put you close not too long and then head over here.
Okay.
Me afford, man.
Alright, so I'm there wait for you because I'm not going nowhere today, so I'm there.
Alright.
Yeah.
Babes. Babes. What's that shit? Babes, come on, Delilah. Who's in the noise, man?
Right now I was doing this one out a while ago. You know, so me hear the babes. But me a listen fear.
You say tax man take 5 years from to come down, sir.
At 250 if you come and so you take.
I'm fine, I did that while again. I'm fine, I did that. Oh, I phone and I'm seeing one jar extra cost. So I'm gone.
No, I'm just there nervous.
Yeah.
So we are moving together. Me not even know you 6 months ago or so. Yes. And me are moving with them.
You want a man, so you get a man.
I don't know if I heard decision me and make, but if I do it, I do it.
Yeah.
What is to be must be. That me need. But me need to talk to you. Me need to have a conversation like seriously. Like, right? Alright. Me I'm gonna tell you what me expect and what me not expect. See? So basically what me expect is for me and you to live together, build together, start up one little empire, you know what I mean? What I'm not expecting, seal all the pack job. I smart when you feel so. Anyways, what I not expect is fear be dishonest to me, right? But we will left that for one next day. Alright, there in the yard there is a big yard, right?
Girl come here? No, me ask if girl come here.
I thought me just never talk to your boy.
Oh, I true, me see people I walk. I mean, ask if you know something in here.
Alright, so one lady live around there, so with her 2 daughters them. I don't even remember if I 2 or 3 of them live around there, right? They in prime. When me say they in prime, I mean they in prime. They want man like I don't know what to say. So you as my man, you live in the yard there, me I beg you do. When I see them, go on like you know, see them lock your eye. Because they adult if none of them reach 18. You hear me? I tell
I
you?
understand, man. I understand.
When you're there round us, or you're there round us, the tank round us, and them a beard, because I do them beard. Me no want you grown. They mostly beard in the evening, no grown day. Me a warn you, know. They can't say me never warn you. And me a give you warning right now as you come in the place, me a tell you how the thing go.
You know it's bad, man, no? But anyways, make myself handy because when I say look kind of bushy, when I back part, so back part kind of look bushy. So when I use smash, you know machete?
Me don't know much about we can get one on the time is right.
No, I deal with it to the man because you know, I want to make myself useful and see something worthy. So I chop all the bush around this up before you...
You just come today, you can't rest. Tomorrow you chop.
That is the thing, I'm a working man. I love to keep myself active, but anyways, a long time now, you know, what did I say? I use the Christian word, fornicate, if you understand what I mean. So, you know, help a brother out.
You're not even come 10 minutes good. Another thing
I have to make
do?
myself useful. I have to, you understand what I mean? It's like living, it's like living.
I'm not in a mood for you. You can't wait till later.
I'm going to come here.
No, I'm not going to come back here. That's joke. I want to know if I can't wait. As I come here, you.
Go on, bed.
Then I lie down, you want me lie down? How can I brain cell like you
I
want?
want somebody to tell me, I don't know myself to go up on the bed.
Wait.
Hey, we take you back to box over there. Take up your back. Go on, go call her. You told look at it a mischievous man. Chop. Hey, you not go. Me take it back to box over there. Brother, me want not clean up no place. So why you go clean it? You see, then my little sister, me use the box and knock you with it. Call him now. Call him. You want this to come Want go clean before my chop. Me want knock. I'm a drop up me not do no. You not.
I hope the place don't tidy up. Hello, Delilah. Why you sit down here so?
She said she not do nothing.
Your sister wanna clean up the place. You're tired?
Yeah.
Me wake you up out of your bed. You come clean up the bathroom and you're tired. So you did that work in your sleep. Get up. Take for yourself. Go so. Hey, me not care who. Go flush the toilet and clean it out. Disinfectant and fabulous and bleach and everything in there. Go on. The toilet brush there right behind the bowl. Go clean up the place, man. You. I what one? Why you not wash your plate? I want so slow. Why you not take all day if you just wash 2 little plate and clean up 2 little things? Eh? What no problem? Jesus Christ, big old donkey like you no can't do nothing. Watch out. I know we right the same place when we left it. This the same place. What do they do? Where they do? Clean up your place. You don't understand why the rubbish bin still there, this man. What happened? What happened? Eh? I'm gonna take this thing for joke. You don't know no shame. Eh? You don't know no shame. A stranger come out in the yard, friend, family, no matter. Uno no shame. Jesus Christ, uno name uno shame. Uno the down when me gone, and name uno shame. Me can't believe some left rice and sitting on this and uno lazy and no want cook. Uno name uno shame and no clean up the place. Uno no pride, no ambition, nothing. Look here, see man them all there with? Tell them so nobody want them. If they ask you know why, tell them say sir, you not go want me to live with God. Me can't wash, cook and clean. And me no want no man beat me. When the mother did that teach me, me never take it. So do. Nobody with me look one next woman because me no know about them the same thing there. Because me nyam, me shame. And me not no pride. Me no know if you do nothing at all. So the man then left me alone. But you don't know go dress up nice like some hot girl. Long hair, long nails and this and that and rare blah blah. Man think say, you no can cook, wash, clean and do other sitting etc. Then I pay kick, then kick on the dung and lick on the dung. Then I run come back and no more my yard. Come stress me out. I say go? No. Them the days are done. Learn from your yard. If you do everything before you go abroad. And the uncle sex do this thing. Sex is not all. And when they run down the world like you run the world, I run the left. Hello! Me I wonder if you run there clean up the bathroom. Me I come run the thing, you know. Me no in a known joking. Because I realize that you don't want to do nothing. You're a lazy one. You Delilah. God know why me did give you that name. The day when you're born in a hospital, and the first name come to me, Delilah. You're real Delilah. Me can't bother with you. Anyway, me case and clean up the place. And me come here. Listen to me, Patricia. Me go tell you something right now. You hear me? Don't shake your head for me. Say yes, mommy. You know no manners. That's how me grow you.
Yes, mommy.
Okay, I'm not laughing. Why you always a smile every time? You get joke in your mind? You're not supposed to laugh with yourself. You need to share the joke. And mad people do them sitting there. Listen to me. You see Delilah? Anything at all she do, make sure she tell me when me come. You see when they tell me, don't tell me in front of her because you know she love war you. And they chat boy your head big. And if she ever see for her big dry head, she stop talk your face. Me not tell no lie, your sister. And no chat me they chat about her with you. You already know say her head big and she they call her big head. Me know say you feel away when she say her head big, but no worry yourself. Make sure say you put brain in this and get a proper job because me soon run out of my place. Me not go keep on your feel. So anyway, finish clean up the place. Anyhow she left out of the yard go now to that same dirty foot boy over there so. We don't have nothing good in our brain. That the boy they don't want to work in our family, they live off of. And that same thing me see Delilah, they tried one, they come broke you if you do so too. Her bigger sister don't follow her. She an idiot. You see me send her to school and she don't take no book in her head. All the subject them when she take is
take book in her head.
She not take her book in her head. Yes, if you ain't take your book at school, then I know your head, your brain in her. Now your brain use and think where your head there. Take your book, that means you're taking your education and in your head same way. Have sense of some ring off your nose. Nose long like for your pooper. You're too out harder. Me they talk, you they talk. Make sure say you don't come walk list like the lily one day where they in there so. Me don't know why your first name ban. And me did know me switch over the sperms. But anyway, come. And make case and clean up your place. Next time, me ask God which one me want to come first before the other. I look like the first one them always full. Remember which month in ban, you know? April. The first. See me you same kind of your sister. That's so important. Me sorry say my name breed for the same man. Your name she put it on full. Me no but I want to breed again. Finish clean up your place. Me soon come back. Wait, me figure. Hold on there. Me I look if you clean up the place because you know look like you finish it, you know.
You don't smell sweet.
Hurry up and finish and come. Make sure say. You see, as Frankie them, make sure say. You are your sister Patricia. No shit back in the toilet and don't flush it. If water gone, when you talk, don't talk. If water gone, if shit a take you as long as in a run down on your foot. Go outside and go catch water at the pipe. Come back in or out of the tank. Catch your water first before you use the toilet. I'm not joking with you. Because if I go one more day and come back here, in your smell like a what? River tan dump. You don't go like it. Okay, finish clean up the place and come out. Oh, nasty man. Hello, sir. Come here. More time, son. This one too hot. How are you? Where you come from?
Down the road, down there, sir. I mean, man live.
We all who for parents I for your parents? Why am I for?
You know, madam, them
Who
dead.
for ma for your pa?
Them
Cause
dead.
then dead.
But
So
me
what you
tell
do
say,
over here,
and
sir?
me and one of your...
Which who?
Wow,
Where they
me
do
and one
out
girl
there?
around there to live.
No, which girl? Where they doing in my yard?
And me and one lady around there, so me and my woman live around there, so. Woman where you went for your place.
Congratulations. You just tell me say you live down the road down there, so now you tell me
Yeah,
say
me
you
live
and
down
one
the
girl
road,
live
but
around
we
there.
move come in with her. And that me I tell her.
Oh, hello. Me no want no thief around you.
So
Me no
tell her,
understand
man,
you. What you
who
mean?
call thief? Who you call
Because
thief?
you just are you a liar too, you know I'm good thief.
So
So if you just badging at people here and come get water, you have your water rate over here.
Tell us I'm living in a yard.
Living in which yard? The first time. Let me know why you're not in front of your boy. Because first of all, you tell me two lies. Pan the same question when me ask you. First you live down there, so now you live here so with girl. Me don't know which one me fi believe, and I first me I see you in my yard. So me no fi ask you nothing.
We live down there, so right? But we meet the girl and we move with the girl. So we live around the next room.
I did to take me fast. So if you did explain yourself from the beginning, say me did live down the road, but me meet somebody over here, so that's why me and idiot fi dey argue with you. Boy, me not even believe you, even if you go so me nobody believe you. Because you give me one story already and give me one next one. What the hell you do over here? You need to come out of me yard, man. Babes, which part? Are you?
Me come to
Are you on this thief here?
Your man call me thief. Big insult.
He just thief out the water out of the pipe.
That's the one that term.
Alright, listen.
Look what the punch me.
See, you know him?
I'm a man.
Your man.
I today move with me.
Me and you there so long. And you find man down the road. And he carry me in here, I'm a stranger. Hey! Hold on there. So me have to answer that one. I know you may talk to you know.
Me nah look, man, I look mixed up.
Me mix up long time and my friend and my neighbor. And me don't know you. So the other three man, let me see you used to carry over here. So you are never already?
Yes.
This a boy when me just seen me had a T40 water out of pipe. Me can't believe say you and him.
Yeah, me just take little more water to wash my man.
Tomorrow. But you have a friend.
You have assets or something, man.
Maybe no thief.
No.
He look thief.
A boy will having things, man.
You sure?
You sure?
Oh, cause anyway, since I so what your name? What your name? Hello, sir. What your name?
Michael.
My Lord of Jesus. That's it. So you look like I saying you want a different name.
I want a different name. My name will start out that.
I'm a nickname that everybody call me Michael. What wrong with Michael?
And Michael your name?
Yeah, but no, me not see that as Michael. But you want me to like me read them and I'm Michael.
So why you give me friend a wrong name? You have to go show me one
Alright,
ID.
yeah, you get it wrong.
Maybe, me don't know the way in line I get too much story. So me don't know you trust him. So anyway, so you're saying you want different name and you say name Michael. But next time you don't carry nobody here, make me aware of who you carry in your yard because me think that. So why you look at me daughter them so?
I don't understand.
You hug up your woman and they look at the eyes in my house.
Why
They look at me daughter so what kind of man that they womanizer. Eh?
Alright, here one.
You look at me, your friend long time, you know, and you know me stay, you know. Next time you dey carry man them come and make me know and pay me if you not say nothing because me not like when stranger come in and me had 20-40 water. Hey, remember say you owe me some money. For 3 months now me alone a pay water rate and you tell me say when you get to a man come, you will give me your money out of it. And I know you're not give me no money out of it.
Tomorrow we make you get
But you say him rich in your money, so
you
you
have money but it is a bank. So tomorrow we make you get it.
Yeah, one of them with them a trick with card and pin number. Go on, me talk to you later. In the way upon you look like you're in love. Me sorry for you, me have something to talk about later. Go on.
Later me come and check your man.
Me need you to talk to him good about this. You know, say this is why they actually they look at me. The boy they hug you up and they steer upon me daughter them in there.
Me not believe that.
You don't believe?
No, sir.
These are just really pricey.
No, me not, you know why I not believe your daughter, them my young daughter them.
You love
me
trust,
not,
man.
Me not believe so.
You put
Me
your
here
trust
with
in
her,
a
me here
man.
with her.
You put your trust in a man instead of God. Go on, me like your style. You're a good girl. Oi, you see all you? Delilah, come here. Come here out here, so me no laughing with you. Patricia, come here. Turn up a pee round corner. You think me not see you? Actually, me no want shame the man because me don't know him. Come out here, so to me. I miss see you see. You never see a Delilah that hides the man, make him man the quintal 5 hours. So I say, what I do? Make date?
No.
Come back out here, so to me. Me ask you one question. Talk it truth. You never see when Delilah. You never see you turn up so close her, so you don't have plan to date one man. Go on in. If someone deal with you, you no front or jump, you don't have problem. Let me tell you something, you know if you have crutches control. Because once you cannot control the crutches crutches will control you. Go on inside and talk look on people, man. And what I'm a neighbor man, and then she am my friend. I'm a friend man, and I'm a picnic, so my picnic then fi come take my friend man, for me and this girl going a problem. You don't know long me and that the girl they are friend. Me on no backside in that tonight. You don't love people man too much. It's soon done. Maybe 3 plat me have left. Come hold this because you're lazy enough. Oh, guess what? Hey man, go and hold it. Then go put it there so the breeze are blow. See, anytime you do this idea, yeah? Patricia, you may talk to me, you answer me loud because when you do they come now to no mouth and they cuss on one another when me know they are making neighbor them and they tell me I want to go along over here with no antics and they chat about man we want to scam a road and sit and take away man money and sit and come in a boss and hide there underneath bed. Me I go start search up in my house. Everybody didn't over there so they hear you know, all of the neighbor them. Now me they say sit here they shut up your mouth like I say a dummy. You see when me come this ahead here, eh? If it serve you, no hour. Second hour. Eh? Oi, Miss Big Woman, chat loud. Today is the 2nd of what? November. Okay, I'm going to talk loud to me. And when they talk loud, behind me back, we do not outer than this. Everybody are here, nobody not to repeat and this what you say. So today is the 2nd of November. So you see that hairstyle life is served for the 2nd of November. 2025, because this is 2024. Hold up your face and look at me like you have money if you go and do head. The outer that. You think a little walk and wash people dirty clothes and sweep up people dirty yard. If you come by here, if you put in a for your head, a little dry head. God, me don't know my name, make one coolie man breed me. Next time me I go to Dubai, go make one of the Indian them breed me, because I can't bother with for your head, man. Hard for comb. Every comb me put in a for your head, it broke them. You know, break them, you know. You know, break them, it broke them. Tired down, no man. All Delilah. God almighty. How happened? Come out here so to me, I want to talk to you. Stand up right there, so. You finished clean out the bathroom?
Yes.
So, oh, you finish clean out bathroom and don't bed. When people don't work, they fresh up themselves. They don't stay in the same dirty clothes and the same sweaty body. You score down your bathroom, you finish score down, eh?
Yes.
Alright, guess what you do now? You have your shower, change your clothes, and look nice. You're not ready for bed. Everything boy you nasty, me see it. And you have tell the world. Boy, I'm no full ambition do with the nastiness and bossy with it.
No, I'm going.
What you just say?
Me say if you don't talk, that me say, me want going.
And me and that too.
Mommy,
Eh?
are you me and talk?
You talk to me and they laugh and you're serious in your mind. Don't talk to me so. Go on inside. Out of order. But if me don't talk. Out of order.
Never tell me, father, your box.
I know that. The father come and give him another box. And if you know if you mind him pick me, walk this man. Sperms doing a your be. Sperms doing a him be. You can't chat about no pa ya so because they no mind no. You can't chat about pa. You see a different man of mine no. And them are your daddy. The one them with mine no. Them are your daddy. Oh, Tada, hold this. The man them will mind Uno. Oh, you so enough. Patricia, me call your name. Me talking to you. Eh? Answer me. No shit. Wait. Me say stop shake your head off of me. Patricia, me talking to you. You still a shake your head. Big and dumb. Me say when people talk to you, say yes ma'am, no sir, or yes mommy, no mommy. What kind of method lick off your brain? What about Morgan? About here? Me a chat to you. The man them will mind you know. I don't know pa. The right one them will get to know and they don't mind you know. I don't know papa them as sperms do now. You act like you're an idiot and understand what I say. Me know you don't understand. So you not grow big and fool. You the dumb and the fool, idiot in there so. Dumb fool, idiot. Who know? Who I know? Sorry say me I know ma. You don't go stress me out man. No, take up no things them and go on out of my place. What do you mean? Just when you talk to me, you see true, me not hear what you say so good, you don't need to talk loud.
Me I stress you?
No talk to me so neither. You never see you shout at church there?
Mommy, that
Me say talk little louder, me hear you call act like you want to look what me ears sing some ring in my ears.
Ow.
Oh Tada, hold up head. You know what kind of drive man me gonna
You
make
gonna
break
run
it.
away.
Runway go long. All the better, less problem for me. Less responsibility, Father God.
You know like
When time one runway, less responsibility. Okay. I mean want to there with so much man for them I don't know. When I don't know man them pick me. A wickedness. Then they mind no and no them I don't know. I want to know no turn on and disrespect man them we take care of. Oh Tada. Rank. Go you go run go long. Old fart.
me want something you know like.
No man, the whole of no manners and they get part of them. So they can't disrespect me now. Stand up, Miss Big Woman. Come, take up this something off my ground. Come right here so to me. Come here so to me, because I know say true because for your front start grow feather. Come here! Right up here so. You start up attitude. Come up here so. And don't move again, else you get a move lick and a bring back lick. If you can stand up right, bring back yourself right there, so stand up. Hello. Yes, me noticed from the other day. Your sister whole and bigger than you know. Me noticed from other day say you then follow your sister Delilah because she dey have 1 million man. I mean your boy you to you know, the neighbor them a tell me about you how you dey hide and they have man to you secretly. Yes, everything under discreet, but anything undercover in the dark must come out in the light. Now you start back answer me. You start frowns when me dey talk to you. Don't move. You're full of attitude. Come back up here so before me give you come back up here so lick. You deaf? You want move lick and want come back up here so lick? Which one? Both. Listen to me. Me tell you already every time you know. And I don't tell you a million times because I true. I realize that from your front start grow feather. You start have attitude. But guess what? You climb the wrong tree. The limb them are go pop off with you. Be careful of what you do. Maybe box in your mouth. Take away yourself and go in there. So when you finish, when me done me come finish your if you have manners. Out order.
Yeah. So I'm gonna say up on the farm today.
Oh, by the farm.
About 2 days now, I'm gonna see what happens.
No man, me have one nigga down there, I call him and me tell him say if you look for him, you know, me have like somebody where one caretaker you call him. Yeah, one of the time me send him to someone we give him so. We call him and say, how the animal them, you can water and can feed them. if they want things, you send money to you and you buy them give. So, I don't like my food good every day. All the time good enough, I'm going to check to see if the right amount of them giving something else. But not if them.
Okay, well, I'm there, so you're up to go and sleep with me.
Outside time, I can't sleep in the house.
I feel like more sleep, man. I'm tired,
So
man.
I sleep in my day, I go sleep, man.
Come lie down with me,
No, man,
man.
time hot. I can't go for the
So what you have to do?
I just be able to dress up on my phone, come and say time I'm slung like food here, right? They say like look at food shed on my phone and I wake up, you call me. Right now, I do this now. So you can't get to
Oh,
see
so
me.
you just can't hold
In
it.
a hot. Come on, I'm going to torture this man in a hot. Alright, this one. Alright, this one today. So go on, get to sleep, man. You know, I like your energy. I like it, but at your marriage.
Yeah, she made that one.
Just feature you. Have a look at thing, but just keep it on the low.
I know something like it too.
Nothing wrong with that, cause I say no. Look nice and clean, so what I want to get around and keep it on the low.
Yeah, my mother, extra. My sister. Yeah.
But as I said, it's just stay between me and you. So, anyways,
Bob! Bob!
Hi, hello. Hi. May I look for Bob? You see him?
Oh, no, Bob.
Michael. What do you mean by you don't know who name? So that's the guy who live with me around here, so.
When I see you. So when you come around here, start calling?
Oh, so around here, so no part of the yard.
But the food, yeah, even while looking at our old wife.
The door open.
That not safe for the
Alright, look a girl. Me don't know arguments with them. Me just a come ask where your mother there.
She live there.
Alright. You have no manners.
She gone. I know that she has a
Which way
you don't find me at this actual shortcut me there and go over my farm. Cause the talk about him say me just walk over there, me hear and I say, oh that place that.
So which way you walk over your farm?
Me find out shortcut where this me never know some shortcut.
And me ask you where you walk around there.
One at the back there's some.
So you never see the little girl down there, so when you go to the farm, the little girl is around there,
No,
so?
I never see nobody around there.
Cause me ask her if she see you and she say, who name Bob? Me say her, Michael. Eh?
Which one are you doing?
The ugliest one.
I never find out nothing ugly, but anyways. I never see nobody around there, so maybe after me go and check around there. I'm gonna go to the farm.
Anyways, what?
Anyways, me feel like
Are you sure it's your farm you're coming
yeah
from?
man, me feel like I want to sleep now. Come on. You know? Come on man. Stop on top. nice stuff too. Yeah, but anyways, better than yeah, don't they?
Yeah.
So we are daughters are sitting by yourself. You know, if somebody pass and take you.
I like my own space.
Maybe I tell you we can be a protector.
Me I like rock money now.
No, broke because I'm broke.
How are you now, sir?
No money, no business.
So come on, son, you have me a days I broke me to see.
Anyways, no, so I like this too. On a big man level.
Money come first. You have money?
How about money?
No more extra.
No, listen, you see.
You see if you want me? You have to spend. Come.
Listen, that's not just a juice money. I understand. That is just a juice money. No man hurt.
They real material pack.
Of course, no man hurt. That's just a juice money here now. My woman, she sick. So, yeah, do. So like how me I give my money, so more people go on. Can't keep it between two personal.
Where is the woman sick?
Sick as dog. So
you want to go back on this one?
I know about it past the
Yeah?
time. You know about
I lie.
Come.
Alright, that's a party. Come.
I nearly go here, then that boy have the success, you know. No, no.
I know.
Why? You know, my auntie, my sister, my auntie, all of my team up against me. Why? I can't, when I plant that tree, I can't get the one pair or five. Yeah, so you go. Jump looking a fool. Come here, Nisi. I need to talk to you. I'm glad in the house in the sun. You and the brethren. I just saw no, I never there sleep. I'm just there pretend like I'm drunk and asleep, but I sound one out up there.
Never did that, no.
Hello. I go tell your mother. I go tell your mother.
It wasn't me.
It was you? Alright. There's a funny foot you have, so we show your mother. You tell her, say it wasn't you. Because I come over here while rest and I see the door crack up the sun. I don't have the camera in me and make sure I take 2 pictures. So I want to come out, come down and go somewhere, go and wipe me asleep. When the woman come in, come back. And she come check on my life, she's not there. So I do rest over there. So when your mother come, you and her figure it out. Because maybe you don't know how water got pumped in Delhi. She talk to you about it. Young one, I hope you don't follow this one here, you know. You don't follow she? No? And you laugh? Hope you know she don't go do a while ago? I don't know, neither. So one thing I tell you, hope you not do the same thing too.
Hi there.
Good. Oh yeah, from Purple Stone.
Oh, I thought, man. I don't have to kill 2 dogs or something from over there. I'm trying to catch you. Alright. So, you're good?
Sexy friend there. Wagwan.
Man.
They say knock shall be open and what day I come check you off and when I look you now. Actually my sister live nearby, make you know what I mean. You're alone in your room, yeah. Every day you have a man to saga, make you feel happy. You see I put on, you blush though like you want the Rasta touch, but me I wait. And take him the permission, me not enter, you know. But me enter now go on my left. Yeah.
You're going in a Rasta.
So, anyone can answer, man, I tell man, cut off man, tell man, say, man, over here. Let me hear, man.
So I don't understand. When I can cuss off you man and run him man and make you know say yeah me man. I don't understand you just dead behind the door and hear him man talk there something there.
Yeah, Joe. You man run so I mean you know me come here, I don't know nobody else. You don't talk to me with nobody. You don't know him man, so
I don't understand you. That means say you know me man then.
yeah, but me don't want.
You know me man then because if me living with my man, I want man to pass and they tell me them sit there how you want go between and do what I want to do. And you
think
just
that you the man out. You come like you don't know one another. Me just come and like jump up. You don't know the person. You know so you have to small happy in the street, you have to small.
Delilah,
yes, mommy.
you notice why me have to talk to you like you is the bigger one? Because you act like you are a bigger one. So okay, since as you are a bigger one, you go sit it at the place clean and nice. And well capacity it before me come back. Ah, hello, Miss Patricia. You already know say you're a bigger one, you know. But because she the one like she want to take over. You notice all the while, me have to talk to she like she's the bigger one. So you're a bigger one. Just call it something. Here? Are you made that in a Delilah?
Yeah.
So you act like you're a bigger one, so he's the bigger one. I know you're not to say, you're the smallest one, you're younger than she. What's your problem?
No, me act older than she act like she don't make sense.
Eh? You act older than she?
Yeah, she act like she don't make sense.
Oh, that's why.
Yeah.
Okay, so what you tell me is she only have the age, but she not mature.
Yeah.
But you're not fear age now, you're too far from her still, you know. She's 20 and you're 18. No problem. Me I come out of the place now, miss. You're going like I say, smarter than me. You see your ring with me the other day? Eh? You see your ring with me the other day? That's why me have to call you miss. Matter of fact, me wrong. Mistress. I look like you are the woman in another place here. And you have to pay the rent. Miss, me I go somewhere. I am my mind now. I look like you are my mother and me your mom. From other day when you ring with me when me I come here out there, so you became my mother. So mommy, me I go out the road, me soon come back. Anyway, make sure say when me come back the place look what? Presentable. Nice.
Presentable.
Alrighty, Judge.
You know that school? Shut up. I'm not talking to you. You're too dumb.
Alrighty, Judge. Then how you act like a big woman? I want to contact to me as how you feel and how you believe and think like you're my mother. Me is your mother. When me talk to you, you need to listen to me keenly. and do what me tell you to do. And me your mother. Stop act like I am your mother. Me I leave right now, you're in charge. Me when they tell she say she in charge, you is in charge because she act like she bigger than you. You understand me? And stop. Oi. You have go to your cow. Why you always do this? And so me train you, somebody talking to you depend. Or you can't say yes mommy, no mommy. Hello. Yes, when you see people that talk, big old 18-year-old tough skin girl, say excuse. And when the person give you permission to talk, then you suggest what, look here, you know what? Me don't talk to you. Me soon come back. None out of the one no left out of the yard. Me no business if you are 20 or she are 18. Me don't care. Stay in the yard. Me tell you when me go can't talk to you.
Mommy, excuse me.
You have to wait time.
Mommy.
You no under on a roof.
Mommy. Yeah,
Then you the pound one
yeah,
and can do. Shut up.
yeah, go on and let's go.
Then you the pan on own.
Lady.
And can do anything you feel like.
Lady, yeah, go on and let's not give you for now.
Listen to me now. I not talk to she now, because she too enough. You know say something like us to eat already. The other day you give her something to eat. I not listen to she. You're bigger than her. You know say I want to warmonger. And me feel like it takes and slap in your face. Eh? What you say?
If you have manners. When you have manners to me,
Right.
go cook for you.
That's
But
right.
apart from that, you're not getting off now.
Manners too.
Go cook for yourself. You're not good for you.
But you, at your age, you should have cook long time. 18-year-old, you are 20. None of you can't boil water.
You never teach me.
That's nice. Big up yourself. Not even the devil no want you to know say like that. Much as God, he refuse and rebuke you. You're just stupid girl. 18-year-old and your mother not teach you to cook.
No.
Oh, because your mama can't cook neither. That's why she don't teach you to cook. You prefer your father? Go on. Pack up your things and go on and you cook. You see, you already for that. No, me I go about my business and you confuse me because you want in an argument with me.
No, me no want you.
Your front are jumping. When you start have man now. You ready for disrespect me?
Mommy, go on.
You ready for talk to me toe to toe and deal with me? I mean I talk to you now. Is you bring me for 9 months? Or me bring you? You act like I have F me. Take this and sit and lick in your head today, girl. Police come for me around here. Mister, when me left me and come back and see the place look nice and good.
Mommy, so I need if you want to come back and see this nice. Bye. Just remember to check your food.
Now me notice with the woman when they tell me round at the lane when me and her this stand up they talk. Everything what you do, your papa you get it from. They really obey your papa too. Cause the wickedness them when you used to do, you will like drop off on you. And then when me breathe feel for I should have dash your belly.
You! I'm not clean none.
Okay.
I see him place in it. I said so, you never let me go now.
Start clean, never sleep.
Go on, sister.
This one hat here?
I'm going to tell you. You know what, say? We come over here to go link you a while ago. Over there. I'm going to come over there. I go under the tree. So I'm going to take a cool laugh. Did they feel look a while? Now for your girl, me see come out to one of those things here. Feel look at that there. Me look at niece.
A Patricia, that one the name.
Yeah, me see she come out.
So you have your niece and remember them?
No, listen, I can't, we can't, they're not a man at my time.
If you no remember Delilah and Patricia when they were little and torment like our.
But now them turn, them big, them too prime. You must know, the one now, Patricia, she in the new building, lock up with her man. When I did that, I did it for a while.
Oh God man, you're too wicked. Are your niece them in tap the life on them?
No, yeah, I know somebody have to take a picture of them. You see?
You did it?
Two of them, one too much picture, see there?
Me
See
backside.
there? And
You know, say the first day I see the boy, I never trust him. Holy, come in and mash up your phone, holy.
So, I don't know you because I can't see Facebook condition. But she know. I said it wasn't me. So I said, want to show you my picture.
After you see her.
She said it wasn't me.
With your 2 eye them we got you.
It wasn't me.
I know she.
Alright. So
Yes, she said it wasn't me.
it wasn't me.
I must say Shaggy. Alright.
Alright. So anyway.
Thank you, thank you.
We got in my yard there, man.
Yes, no fear, not down there.
No.
When you go back to bush, get white coconut them for me.
Alright.
Alright. Lord of Jesus. Why the place looks so? Well, no shame. Every day is the same thing over and over. So it look like from me gone. Uno just do what uno want do and satisfy yourself and please yourself. You see you Delilah? Me soon deal with you. You Patricia, come here. Yes, when me dey deal with you, me want the whole neighborhood fear. Everybody. Me want here. You see all this I want me say me care. This when me say me care. Fi uno now go get it. Make it stay right here so. Nobody trouble this bag. Anybody move the bag? Problem. You come here. Turn up right there so.
So, what did you look for?
Miss, before you even open up your stupid mouth to me, when you listen to me carefully. When I was leaving, didn't I spoke to you about this place and not leaving out of the yard and not make nobody come here?
Not leave the yard.
Why? The next door neighbor man have to come at my yard and you and him they do things in my place. Yes,
Which one
you reach shut up. You reach the age. Yes. Yes, you reach the age because you're 20. Yes, you can do all what you want to do, but not under my roof. Listen to me, well, you is the first 20-year-old. I go get one boss from your mama. If you don't want no lick from me, you go have to come out and find somewhere go call no girl. Now bring no boy under my roof. When me appear, I'm here for no. Oh,
Bring nobody here.
Hello, please come back up here, so. Come back up here, so. The place nasty looking and disgusting. The time you take man, you clean up the place. And if you meet somebody, well look respectable and you care them, come to me and introduce them to me. And make me interview them. And find out about them background to know if you're going to want good gingeration life. You want to pick up any gingeration? Well, me no want no monkey in my family. Come here. Me no want no more dopey in my family. No more dead dog. Come here. Me tell you that poverty is not my portion. You see how me they suffer already. Come back up here so please and thank you.
Yo.
Look like you they smell fear arm you know and think a roasty arm. You not no man as you no man. Come here, so. Oh wait, not me hear your voice again because feel your breath turn up. It look like you're not even brushing your teeth from morning. And me have toothpaste. When me cut no disgusting, come here. Oh, you dress up in a hairstyle and nice. So where when they do now left after the man gone, you no plan. So you come here, so now.
Which man you talk about?
If you can't tell me pure lie. What do you mean which man me I talk about? Come here for me, I talk to you. Don't make me come over there, else me I go stop use ear so and use ear so. So your blood I go get bitter.
It wasn't me.
Me know, come. It wasn't you. Come Shaggy. Come. Don't. I know side way if you come in right here, so. Come. Come here, they walk like you're a crab. Side way. Yes. Come up a little further, please, and thank you. If you make me comfy, you know, say it about bad. Patricia, come here. Let me ask you one question. You put your phone on silent, cause me no want me to have anything. No manners girl, disrespectful girl. No discipline girl. If me ever bust your ass today, you not like it. You, Miss Lady. Why you bring the people them money in a me place? See me and the people them in a problem? Talk it truth we God know. Me ask you one question. Why you answer me politely?
But me never bring nobody in here.
Who me sip on the video?
I know me.
And you. Who me see on the picture them? And you want to see the guan. And you the guan. I mean I know me the guan and the galang and the skin out. Hey girl. I want to you. Come here.
Me.
You're afraid of lick, but you're not afraid of prick. Go clean up your place. Afraid of lick, but you're not afraid of prick. They say, who that go kill you no because you no want it before time. 20-year-old and can't cook and wash, but you not run down wood. Oh, Tada. You, come here, because you want a little secret, girl. You're very secretive. You want a little secret, girl. You, come here to me. So you know all of them things there. And you not tell me how much time that the man they come here. Why should I listen to you while I was talking? You need to wait until I finish talk and then you talk.
No, man.
You not back in here when me are back. I'm the only dog in here. You're out of order. Which man come in here?
No, man, no come
Then I
here.
wish she go to the man then.
No,
So maybe me no hear what this man say. Or in that this man the house look like a my well maybe this man say as somewhere else she the person who tell me not tell if a man or a woman. Maybe as somewhere else then see her. If it's not here, but me take me to where I see her on video. All the picture them me I see. So me no know me wanna pick me that you tell me.
I know, yeah, she did.
So me ask you one question. Did she leave after I left?
Yeah.
Oh. So me and the smile the place almost look like them. So me have to go buy test glass. I mean know for a long time so me hide in a road. But me know me wanna pick me. Me know say a she in a them the position there.
You see uncle?
Yes. Them the position there. If me say who?
Uncle.
Uncle who? If me see my brother? No.
Baby, she move over.
He come over here? Come do it.
You mind that big one there?
You know who gone?
Money big one.
Who you
Big
talking?
daughter.
So my biggest daughter is not your biggest sister?
I'm carrying a yard.
So then the 3 o'clock and quarter past whatever day. I wish man that a wrong story.
You don't know.
Me never see the man face so good enough. But kill me dead. The look when me they look on the man and the picture when me I picture him is the next door neighbor man. Unless me not see the video good with the man face, what me sure say is Patricia and that man was doing something. Anyway, she gone around there so and I hope when I go around there she clean up the place and you, me not bother beat her today, you know. Me I give you a little more time to clean up the place. You see what me I sweat? Me I go outside now and me need you to get up now and start. Spread up the bed. As a matter of fact, start before me go outside. You don't want to know why I bag, you know.
But we're hungry.
You're hungry.
I'm not giving up.
You're not hungry.
She's not giving up.
You're not hungry. You know why? Because me leave something here for me. Me I go this up. Me say me I go outside. Go clean up the place. Me soon come. Me go clean up what this up. I see when I left here I do this up. One clean up in the house, me clean up outside. Right now, start spread up the bed. Get up. Come and put on 2 over your back. I come stuck on the road. I'm going to town. So I soon come back. You hear me?
Yeah.
Make sure say you behave yourself. You know enough baby you know, make me have to talk to you like I want one little kid in the garden. I give you enough. So I have to talk to you in kind of way there. Anyway, you come with me. You Miss Patricia. I'm not leaving you today. You're coming with me. What me say me nah do? Let's hear you have today. You dey come with me, come.
But me not want to come.
You're going to come with me. Maybe I drink before water, I'm thirsty. Time hot. Besides, still in the come.
So we can back here.
No, me not. One next time I bring you, me have to carry you now. Papi show they are whole, you know. Whole heap of them. I soon come back.
Every day I get up and play a game. I can't find something in that game.
Do everything already.
We are going to pay the light bill and the internet bill.
Here?
So you're not going nowhere?
What's the last time?
I'm so cool. Where?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. No. Oh, you have no phone.
A unicorn chick.
Say what?
I'm not sure if I want to see anything. So, when nobody know they have a move,
What's my mother question?
she not going to say, but yeah, man. I forgot to look up. So, if you what we did talk about last night, and you said if you want a girl,
Yeah.
no, she got another one. So, I'm going to give her.
So, yeah, man. You have to ask you.
Now look if this one pop out my slippers. Oh, alright. Just buck my slippers, you see.
Every say I want this.
I was just.
Come, go in.
Yeah,
Inside
move
the
it.
door. Open the door.
The door can't open, the door is stuck.
What you say?
Walk around the next door. Door
Me?
stuck.
Me if you walk around at the next door, cause the door is stuck.
Yeah,
Little girl, open up the door and don't make me have anything.
the door stuck.
After me go when me they go and come back and so tired, me if you go all the way around there, so but you out of order. Me not go now. Me not go nowhere right as so me they turn up. Come on, if you know where you have in there hide.
Are we out doing this one?
No, man, no.
Delilah, come here.
Mommy, listen.
Come. Why the bed look like this?
Me did I sleep?
You did that sleep?
Yeah.
Whole time from me gone.
Yeah.
You did that sleep?
Yeah.
You know, don't nothing else more than sleep.
What else me fit do more than sleep?
Delilah,
Yes, mommy.
if God come down from upper heaven right now and come and hurt, you'd have tell God say from me gone your mother, me gone on the road in night town. Eh?
Yeah.
You dey sleep.
Yeah.
So since me come and wake up you, cause you did a sleep, you did you all a dream too.
Yeah.
And since me come and wake you up, you wake.
Yeah.
Oh God. Delilah. Delilah.
Mommy, what me do?
Delilah, if me hold you today, every line spirit when down in your throat come out. Who that? Me just see I come out of
Who that's when nobody no come out and me a try pull the door, me not tell I say the door stuck.
God. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I see you did lie.
Me not tell you no lie, the door
So
stuck.
true you know say me want glasses. Where I try say? Me I see doubles.
Yeah,
So when me look through the door them with me two big bulky eye them where God give me. You want to tell me say one spirit me see go out there so?
Yeah.
From back way behind me they look on the person and you tell me say nobody never in here and that door you
Nobody
try.
never in here and me 1 year left, I get up and try pull the door and the door cannot pull. The door stuck.
Me know me go do it though. Don't worry yourself. He's stuck. One back up continue sleep. Sleep. Sleep your way out in a life. Just one back up sleep. The way you did set when me gone they sleep. Set back same way and continue sleep. Don't wake up. One back up sleep.
Me don't want to sleep, you wake me up.
Delilah. You's a wicked picnic. Me afraid of you. You're wicked. When I did small, I tell you to stop tell lie. Because when you continue to tell small lies, you end up telling big one them and this is a big one. But don't worry yourself, my darling. I will deal with your case later. You see? Me
And daddy, me get it from stairs.
don't worry yourself. Everything good? Calm down. You move too fast. Me I go outside. I go let in your sister.
The
You're
door
alright.
stuck.
The door is stuck.
It's stuck.
Don't worry yourself, man. You see, through me a crayfish brain, the door did stop. That's why you never let me in. Come here, idiot. Yes, the door did stuck. And I say, oh no, me I open it and it still can't open. Me still let in them and come outside. Come, get up. Go on inside. Yeah, you look how worrying, sister. God forgive me and pardon me. Me sorry, say me I'm no woman.
You're too fast.
Come here. Stand up right here, son. Yes, when you talk, when you talk to me here, loud and clear, but not the neighbor. What you say to me?
I am pregnant.
And you say it proud. Like I want to subject your past and you get one in it. Eh? Listen to me. You're pregnant.
We are pregnant.
You say you're pregnant. Me not understand because you tell me say you're not having sex. So I don't breed you now. Don't breed you. Don't get you pregnant.
We pregnant.
You think if you're joking and I talk about we pregnant, you're not talking, you know. If you know me, you shut up.
What's that true?
You just say, you pregnant? Come, put down your pillow. Put down your pillow. Put it down. Come here. Come, cause this serious. Leave her. And no jokes. I mean, no want hello, me no want no smile pan nobody face right here.
Give me man.
When me just say, no smile, hello. No smiling na go on here, so nobody na smile. All of the smiling cut off. You a burrito? Don't shake it off for me.
Yes, mommy.
Hold on there. Jesus, Savior divine. You now have sex and you're the breed? So hold on there, Duppy come in and breed the two of you.
And guess what?
Who get you pregnant? Who get you pregnant? You're the like an idiot. No laughing thing. This serious because if you underneath my roof and the breed you go have to come out.
But me not laugh.
So you really pregnant for you in a real life?
No, the real one, not the fake one.
And you sound proud you're fat. Like you know business and nothing if you breed.
So me ask
And you
you,
don't want to dress for yourself. You they take time put on little shame on your face like your shame say you breed. This is when you look proud like she passed Wally for sitting and get her degree. Like I know nothing at all. Hey, who breed Uno? Who get the two of Uno pregnant?
Michael.
Who is Michael? Who name Michael? Eh? But when you talk me here because you know no baby. When
your friend, man.
when you did that take, don't let me have it starting here today. You take it big and bold till you know I'll breed without protection. Listen. Me have a lot of friends. Me want to know
Next
who
one.
breed you? Or the next man breed you? Who breed you?
Same one.
So how you know that? I work a plan, you no plan to go there with the same man?
Me and the man did there first, you see.
You and the next door neighbor man did there first.
Yeah. And then
So what you try to tell me say? You take away the next door neighbor man from the neighbor?
but the man look me never look the man. And then she jump in at the picture. I don't know oh she's enough with her big head and that shush.
How comes the man next door breed you?
Because we have sex. So we get pregnant.
That not add up. That not add up at all. Why the two of you get pregnant for the same man? And a matter of fact, Uno shouldn't even have breed because Uno not working all when Uno are 18 and 20.
But we have
Me say all Uno are 18 and 20.
but we have you.
Uno a big woman and Uno not look no job and me if you walk on the mind Uno a shame you not have no and you not no shame. I can't chat about what Uno have me. Don't tell me now this. What?
We getting pregnant, we having a child.
Right now the conversation
and
is so.
giving it to you.
You are the one mother.
We getting pregnant, we delivering.
You not confuse me.
Yeah,
And
mother.
You not confuse me spirit. You they confuse me because it won't not no shame.
We left the
You remember me they tell you no one long time? So no have no what? Crutches control.
Keep me under control.
But me, mommy.
You'd never be breathing today.
And the first.
Shut up! No shame you disgusting little wretch. Are you Delilah? You? That mean a long time you take the girl, man. Delilah, you're looking at my face in front of the people them and tell me say I'm not the man me seen you. You're a wicked little girl and I him see you one turn around and breed you. You're wicked. And you know where the bigger one should I know better. You end up breed to for the same man. You no hold no good again. You no pat hole no good again. Because of the same tire they drive in there.
What? He getting pregnant is a crime.
That me I say, a crime?
Come here. Ask me again, me not hear. Eh? Come back up here, so. Why they jump so like an idiot?
We getting pregnant. Is it a crime?
And what you did say me love?
So we getting pregnant is it a crime?
Me love you no so till.
But
The
we
two
not have
of
no
you full of
shame.
sense. Who no move from in front of me? The two of you move from in front of me. And you Delilah, move! And go and take on yourself on a workless little wretch. Breed for the same man. And they chat about getting pregnant if it is a... Come on. Come, take away yourself. Go on around there so. I don't know where no man live. The people them man don't take away. Go on. Open up your door, lady. Come out. Come here. Come, problem out here. Fire. Fire!
What kind of fire? What you talking about?
Fire there must steal and then think of cool.
So what must
Me
steal
nah
them?
go no corner right now. Your name they believe me and me and your friend are with the right yourself. Your man breed me two daughter.
Candy. A joke can't make. Candy, take your little gym bang them and go on round. My man breed your two
Me
pick
laugh.
them.
Me a laugh, not true.
Hold on, the last time you tell me sitting the picnic shame you.
Me know.
You hold on.
Me know saying shame me, but I the devil when they use her. Come talk to her.
When you pregnant for child?
Come talk to her and tell her how it go.
Ooh.
Your man, Michael, we are pregnant.
Hello, yes, when you did that take me neighbor and my friend manhood, you take it big and brawling. So me need you to talk to her with sense, like how when you did take it. So now you don't elaborate upon it now, because we in the parliament, we are all round table talk now. So you debate upon it, how you take it, when you meet him, what time he come, much time he come, all the damn time when you come around and tell lie. See the talk to her, how you not go make me and her have nothing, you know. And that's what they tell you. Okay. Come talk, see, come man, come all you know fi come out of my place.
Don't push me.
What
I
right
big
now?
one talk. I one time my man have sex here and me breed. That is it. One time. And I know my mother also come.
You hear old talk to me pitney them, but God forgive me and pardon me, Father God. I breed for the wrong man and me have the wrong set of children then. You hear, listen to me. A young man then take sorry, and me take your man, so no vex with me anyway. Then you two generation ya. Then two generation ya we take your man. You see how me come around the one you feel run with the dirty boy eat. You don't believe me and you don't tap come on me yard and grind off me two daughter them and now him breed them and go and left them. All this go now, so me if you mind pick me and me cannot breed anybody, so I know how them I go mind today. All them I pick me I go mind now. Me want to know how them I pick me I go mind.
Me all have to come out with
Now you believe it. Let me help you because me not told no any mistake and no picking them out come out of my place. If you want to keep the same man in there, that's a fear business.
Yeah, girl. I'm really happy for you if you get through it, girl. Yeah, man. Oh, man, me have to go deal with them this so I can get through too. But truly, I'm happy for you. Really happy for you. Yeah, man. Happy for you. Oh, let's do talk to you. I want to do like I want to read back for you back.
That's no man. You know, I trouble me about girl in this and girl in that. Right now, two I mean,
What?
I two I girl I have one there breathing.
I like that too.
Yeah, but female woman, I don't know, she could have no picnic. She can't have picnic, I don't know what happened to her.
So she had a problem?
Yeah, I share a problem because me, they say, you know, me I got a country. I understand.
What mean you go to
Because
country?
if the woman find out, me can't tell her when she find out, so me have to show out, I understand. So the picnic them now, we don't have to go responsible for them.
You have to go stand up to your responsibility, you know. You breed them, you know.
Hello,
You need to take care of your pig. No business born no woman, she can't breed. Stand up and take care of pig. No run away from pig. Are you that?
You tell you know I'm so say me now no picnic and that the one they breed, that the one they have that they picnic there. No, see me have two of them there. See money you know and take we keep girl in party taking a mind picnic. Me I got country. So I no family them to me responsible for them.
Either your woman go find out say you feel pig.
Yes, I mean
it don't make no sense around. We have feel pig them and stand up and take responsibility.
Yes, but
you understand?
The baby them I get to care though. And them family. Listen, we don't have a piece of money, we don't want to keep girl in party for me.
Oh.
Turn you on and take your mind.
You have to go to the party for eat and drink.
Oh, we don't have no family, we don't deal with the issue.
You want to if you want, I don't be you.
All the family then.
I realize you cut it here. Think I work you go look. But when you tell me say you get 2 women pregnant, I run where you run where you change your identity.
Yes, new look. New me. Yes, you say that I can recognize. So when I go by the time if you come back, nobody know me again. You understand? Only who know me. So don't worry about that. To worry about the two picking them with the road.
You're lucky some man to get none. You better thank God for you two people with the pandemic come.
How if I get a youth because I get all I see me show I see me pop two on there, you know, mind them.
Take up responsibility of your picking them and don't run well if you're picking them. Are you idiot?
The same family me want to keep part of me tell them say what.
I bet you they same picking that come mind you.
Yes, let them come mind.
Alright.
Listen to me, I have to go here now, you see me? So you have my number, you can call me. If you have my country, you can pick 2 banana, chop 2 yam, 2 pieces of yam, cassava, breadfruit, and put it on for you. So you just come when you have my country.
Alright, go on.
Look on now. Uno na no shame. Eh? Uno na no shame. A smile in front of the woman after uno breed for man. Uno worthless. The two on our sister. And hide and take man. So when you know when they tell me all of the lie, them I don't the breed you know. Now I this a man ya breed you know. Talk to me. No one know what going right or so. Because she need to know if her man breed you know for true. What is going on? Question you need to answer me. How this thing go between you and the people them man?
Mommy, I never asked him to look me.
Eh?
Our man look me.
I know you look at people them man. So looking at my face when me I talk to you, come in on the down here so. You see me down there so me take me come look like me and see me up here so. Hello. When you did a hide and have sex with the people them man, you rallying. Now me they talk to you as a mother. Cause you know they come with 2 grand pitney, 2 me and all woman if you can't take care of grand pitney, mine pitney, and me put them in our belly. Why you take the girl man? For me and her in a mix up and problem over here so. Eh? Remember someone don't reach age, you know, when me can send her out of my place. You are 20, she are 18. Me no have to keep on in there now, you know. Me no business a fool for man, you know that breed me can run out set for no one stay on the talk it truth now. Why you take the people them man?
He give me money.
He give you money and you take it. He's a wicked girl. So you take your neighbor man. You take your neighbor man big and bold like a subject you do at school and you get 1 in it. You pass your degree. So Delilah, why you take the people them man?
Mommy, he give me compliments. He say I'm sexy, I'm nice, and I look like Rihanna.
You look like a who?
Rihanna.
Rihanna.
The
Oh,
artist.
wait, hold on. Rihanna, celebrity Rihanna?
Yeah.
Rihanna will sing?
Yeah.
I like you. I saw him tell you too. God no. Delilah, you have me kidding but you're ugly. So that the man they compliment was wrong from the beginning. So that means anybody can look on you and tell you say you're nice and beautiful. Come on over. Let's have sex. And you only could change and you do it. You see you? You're a big head. You damn fool. Damn head. What up you done to me bring fire? You don't know nonsense. I go now with the people them man, the 2 on our breed. On a workless. 2 sisters take the same man. Breed for the same man. What a condition. Eh? How you don't go now? Fear pitney. I go call your sister auntie and cousin. And fear one, auntie and cousin. Them your generation and me and them
And brother and sister.
And brother and sister. Me and them are no matter of fact as from today me ban no. I don't know make me and her have anything because I never take her man. So you have to go left from my place make me and her in a peace. And you see that dirty hello, let me tell you something. You dey hold your head, me sorry about everything. And me understand so you did love your man and you never believe him do such a he would do such a thing like that. But see how far you reach now? Well one news flash. Sitting a ground. Me no need to tell you certain part, but me will tell you say some the other part. Some of it. You see your man where they take up for so much and look how much you catch up with me name and chop. Fake of the same dirty man where come in at my house, come grape my daughter and breed them. He grape them and breed them. You know what? You look that you look one a dirty thief man you take up in thief people them ram goat. That's bread.
Can you make a car make me and you have peace in the yard yeah? When I know one or the other, what you mean by my man? Do what? Candy?
I don't nobody tell me, you know.
Candy?
I don't nobody tell me. I pass and see somebody. You know the people them where you sell the newspaper and the Observer and the Enquiry and the Mirror. Me buy one of them and see all in picture in there. That why that thief all he go then take a picture side of him. Say him thief he go me see his face. And I not hear say a true.
My man have one big farm with goat and cow on it.
Your man is
You
a liar.
can't tell no lie.
Your man is a liar.
Me prove this no, and me not even have proof yet. Them a breed. Me no sure say my man own. Can they?
Actually, boss it.
Can they?
I know for your man, boss it.
Can they? I can manage it.
Boss it, me say I know your man.
You know
Boss
what?
it, I know your man breed them, but wait till puss come to show because DNA I go take. Everything I go do. When Pitney come to come and hurt, we are going to do the DNA and everybody are going to see what is what from what is what. And me I tell you say, I only pass it in your man
listen,
mix up
my
in
man they gone a country. I'm gonna call him right now.
OJ.
A country, my man gonna look for his grandmother. So me don't want to you.
Wipe your tears. Oh, bad, little more from this. Wipe your tears. You are going to holler little more from this because I will little bang around that man there. You know. That the man, the picture they don't have station saying wanted. Who to tell if they not catch him? Not more to tell is that me they give. That is just a little tip. Go and do the puzzle. Hey, police, I look for that. Go and make. Oi. Go on now, go. Go on now, go. Hey, man, you look out the picnic. Me not take up phone when big people fight for themselves. When you take it, people them man who don't want to take it. Me not run you beat out them backside all enough for me picnic them. She not, you know say she a idiot. No girl not take me man and me give them one little touch like that. The only reason why mother tell us say do not lick them or them a 3 baby in them. But lick them on their foot, on their hand, and make them know if you let people man.
Just one. One only for no good.
How make you talk to me like
you
I
need to learn to control your two little rough
Me?
them.
I know baby them.
Yeah,
You not run
you
down
know,
kindergarten.
Can't if you did a grow them right.
Where?
If you did a grow them
So me a
right.
grow them if you grow them crutches too. God forbid, it's not my hey,
Aye.
you want me to tell you
Hello.
what?
Stop your bag and
Give
go
me,
here, yeah.
give me because if me left it there, you not go trouble it, but your man will take it. Your man a big time thief. Your man a big time graper. Your man a old criminal. Your man wanted. Your man love young girl. You know see? Through your all, he go look younger than you. Sorry, but me glad say I know me did that take your man. Me don't want them to teeth in man there for the first time. I see him come teeth me water there so and me they talk to you about it. You act like I say, me ain't nobody friend again and we no neighbor, mistake a new man. But wait, you we can want another man come here and me you we end up the enemy mistake of them the man there fast so you go behave. Remember, me want you. Me not sit down with no girl. And me a parenting this so go make Michael pay fee. I gone, me gone. Left it 2 hours now. Left it neighbor and you the whole hour now. No go on now go. Me no business with you now. Me agree. Gone.
Oh, this is a mad woman, yeah. My God. Why were you doing pop? And this is really coming forward to me.
No, you learn.
One on.
You know, say, are your cousin me I look for?
Cousin.
Yeah, because last time I see Yanni, I say Yanni related. Because I see me when I'm a sister. We went to the girl over there. The stout girl there. You know, say the boy breed 2 Amines there. You know, Candy them sister, right? In 2 daughters them pregnant now. And the 2 of them pregnant with 4 cousin. And the girl and them tell me say, Candy run off, you know, Candy run and say not do take no responsibility. Can try talk to them, then reach the age of no part, then can fend on their own. So the rent house then they not Candy left them on their own. So now me I look for your cousin now. Me say I run. So I just get this account me just say want to see me. I could have lick him 9 foot with it. 7 foot pop, he can't move. He don't have to turn up to responsibility. You understand? So that mission I'm depend, but in the there.
Me no see him for when though.
But
when me no see him and I force me to hear this, me never know say that I go on.
well, the girls them they don't listen. So me they are trying to help out the situation. So if I can I get only for youth and I stand up to my responsibility. Okay, if you run, one day go stop run, and when you stop run, that's the problem gonna come. So you turn up for now and just do what you have to do. Anyway, I know your business that, and I know they never rap, force them, then do it willingly, then now is in it. Yeah, I'm up on the road, here.
Alright. Next time I go let me go just a little.
Yeah man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. Yeah, so you know, so we all at work, you know what I mean? And this a man watch the comments them, you know what I mean? So my haters know that I watch the comments. So I have some people me and them not get along. So them build fake account from time to time. Them always have them fake account for a long time. You know what I mean? So them always go come with them narrative. You know what I mean? Cause people will like you when them can use you. But as soon as them can't use you, yeah, them become your enemy. You know what I mean? And it's just life itself. So I'm not really surprised. But what I try to do and establish is upliftment, you know what I mean, of movie in Jamaica. Yeah, so that's my thing I'm focus on right now. And I think I've put in a good work, you know what I mean, thus far, and still doing it, you know what I mean. Sometimes, you know, get a lot of views on YouTube because and everybody get notification. Even when you press the notification button, you don't really get it, you know what I mean? So, if you post a movie late, at times, you give a bad reflection, you know what I mean? But me as a man like this, if I say I go post, I'll only late. Me true to it, I go post same way, win or lose, you know what I mean? So, that just me still. Because I do it from a love perspective, you know what I mean? We just want to know, say, the ones them who out there get entertained and in the wild now they can learn something out of it. It's just not just dry entertainment alone, you know what I mean? So me have to try to create the balance. And it's a war, you know what I mean? Plenty see it and things say it is all nice and this and that. But it's a war, you know what I mean? So who know so it go. You know what I mean? Because we continue doing it. And we have a vision and we have a mission, you know what I mean? So, who fight, go and fight because you not fight with me, you know what I mean? You fight with yourself because right now, me I push positive energy out in the atmosphere. So if you take the time come with negativity, me not I see it so much, you know what I mean? Me look for the positive one them, you know what I mean? Will uplift me because we're in the fields of growing to a next level. So, but it take what it take and you go do what you do. I'm see this from a long time and plenty not even know. Them just sit aside and you know, but when we say it, I mean it, you know what I mean? And I say Jammiwood City and you go past about one of the day them, you know what I mean? So regardless of the fight, you know, we're ready, you know what I mean? And you lose a lot of access because of monetary thing when money now run as how they thought it should be running, but I don't control the flow of money, you know what I mean? So I just can't do what I do. So if we can't control it and it go down, it go down. If it go up, it go up. So who stay and who go. So we always look for the next level of actresses and actors still because the thing depends upon the character really still. So you have a set of people who use character, you know what I mean? And you have a next generation of people who build. You know what I mean? I'm a build character person. I'm the one that build characters. You know what I mean? So a person will come and them good for a night yet and I don't say no. I still give them a shock. So you wanna check my channel now you go find so some people them can't really act yet, but still, I have to give them a chance. It doesn't really matter because this is why I do it in the first place. I do it because I want people to have a chance. You know what I mean? Them can at least try. You know what I mean? Then you have a set of people now. As soon as you make them try and them feel like they reach up and they reach already, you know, then go them cut gun, you know. Because they make it now. Oh, you don't care about that boy, that guy. Yeah. But everything good. cut who you want cut and run if you want run. We're still here. You know what I mean? So like if they move on, you get new people. So it's good. So you go, we get new people. You know what I mean? So now we're looking for a new batch of female. You know what I mean? But from what they have been busy trying to open a next business so it can monitor because there's a food crisis when you have a camp. That's why most people don't have a camp. You know what I mean? When you have a camp, it costs a lot to feed people for the month. You know, so when you catch the third week, you know, say, and the maga down, people start long up them mouth and start suck up them tongue. But you know where you go? We say bunny down to the ground. We try to, because I'm a person like this. You see, if I get up to my man and I'm broke, it's nothing to me. To some people it's a lot, but it's nothing to me because I was born poor, you know what I mean? Yeah, and I know me make me poor. Me just born away there. So if me born poor, accept it. Say I'm poor. And you're born saying I want slavery environment, you have to accept it and know say this is where we are. And this is what, and you now go find people understand. So my time your understanding gone way over one next man head for understand, so watch out. Sufferation is real. And not because you find a night dinner, you go say sufferation not real. So give thanks to the people them who support the movie, moving from Jamaica, you know what I mean, for better. It's a sentiment that we'll try to get part 2 done. You know what I mean? So that will be interested. But that will have come in the next week, not this weekend. You know what I mean? But we want to do one Jamaican version now. You know what I mean? Extend on the story and wrap it up. Yeah, man. So, we talk fast, right? But you know the movie end already, so we just a reason we don't know because we love you. You know what I mean? I want to make my career reach a party there, make people know me worldwide. It's because of the attention we want to pay to the what we have done. You know what I mean? So then we have a lot of things in the pipeline, same way. Me and Richie have to start a project Mountain. Richard Brown Films and Jammiwood in association. Something huge. Yeah, so that's one of the projects you must look out for. And there will be plenty more like that. You know what I mean? So we have a lot of things. And them story they go different from what we put on YouTube because YouTube have a guideline and a community. These movies that we're gonna do, it's not gonna have, it's gonna have a, no, none of them look at something there. You go be the realist. You know what I mean? You can never find. When you watch it, you're going to feel like you're there in your yard. Because enough people know the experience of Jamaica. Yard and oh, people talk when they're in a yard. Some yard is different still. Like some yard is different. You know what I mean? So we'll go try if we go in each different yard or them live a different place. Just to showcase certain things and try to keep the culture alive. Because after a while, there'll be no culture. You know what I mean? Slowly but surely there'll be none. You know what I mean? Because time will pass. And my youth them now gonna know the sitting at the board floor with the brush and the genie floor polish and go shop go buy half a bread. But maybe if a projection of what will go on in the world and now maybe we go become poorer than where we was in the beginning, so maybe we'll go back to one slice of bread and sell at one place so we never can tell what tomorrow bring, you know what I mean? Because yeah, we are dependent, not really independent, really. We don't know, sometimes I can't really talk too much, you know, but it's just how I feel sometimes. We don't really feel that so much, you know what I mean? You feel like a trap, like you're born in one prison and you're just trying to break out. Watch out. The sheep behind me, a shirt. I'm in a coordinator, you know, I just work, you see it? So, just saying this to say that, big up the people them in the world where we're from, supporting Jammiwood, you know what I mean? Well appreciated, you know what I mean? Feel like a slave, feel like a runaway slave, just I try to run away with some movie, you know what I mean? So try to get to the next level. It's not easy, it's not pretty, and because lack of funds you have, we can't get the real people them like a wider scale of people, you know what I mean? Because you have people experience already. So to get them, you know, so then go think about some tall money and you're not making that tall money.